First, I'd like to thank you for letting me stop here today. My name is Matej, and I'm here to present to you the Aquaviva system in just the way that it's shown everywhere in the world, in Hong Kong, Russia, the US or England. Why? Because we think it is the best way for you to see our product. You can try it out, test it, and we can talk about anything that interests you. It has a unique shape. Its main feature is that it's extremely light. It weighs only 4 kilograms. Besides this, it is extraordinarily easy and effective to assemble. That is great for the user. On the lower part, there's a trolley that can be easily removed. We have a water container. Inside, there's a motor that runs the separator on one side. The separator rotates from 20 to 30,000 revolutions per minute and uses only 700 watts of energy. In the upper part are the electronics that regulate everything. This means it can be used with a simple touch. Despite being extremely light, it has a built-in motor with separator, which is the smallest in the world, but 30% stronger than all the others. Now we see what's going on. You can see that the system is extremely powerful. If I shine a light through it, you can see what's going on. All of these tiny dust particles, all the dirt that's been floating in the air gets sucked into the machine. Inside, there's a separator that turns at 20 to 30,000 revolutions per minute and enables the water itself to mix and then bind with the dust and dirt, and on the other side it sends out clean air into the surrounding environment. Now you can clearly see what a storm and tornado is created in our separator. In this way, the air is filtered with outstanding quality. Cleaners on the market work in the same way, no matter if they cost 50, 1,000 or 5,000 euros. They have a brush for dust and dirt on the one side, a motor that runs the cleaner, a dust bag to collect the dust and the dirt, and an exhaust filter for letting out the air. Now, take a look at the bag. All bags are made of paper or textile. You probably didn't come across a bag made of polyvinyl. Why? Because polyvinyl bags wouldn't let the air through. If I shine a light into this bag, you will see darker and lighter parts. Why? The lighter parts still let the air through, while the darker parts already have dust and dirt stuck on them. Of course, airflow. In our case, you can try that it is powerful, and we have a good airflow as well. You see, we have the motor power and we have airflow. If we now vacuum a little, we will see what happens. Here, you can try out what happens. See? We lost airflow. As you can see, we didn't vacuum much, and when we lose airflow, our first thought is that the bag is full. Let's see if the bag really is full. No, the bag is actually empty. What happened is what we had seen with our vacuum cleaner bag. See the lighter and darker creases. Through the darker ones, the air doesn't come through 100%, and through the lighter areas it does. And this is how we lost sucking power. Turn on the switch and the brush for deep cleaning. We vacuum the same part that you did a few seconds ago and wait to see what happens. Look at that. The rug that seemed clean contains a whole lot of dust. Of mattresses is important because we deposit our skin on the mattress, which is ideal for mites. As a result, we wake up tired, with a clogged nose because there are millions of mites that are sleeping with us. If we breathe them in every night, we can have significant problems in the morning. Now, we will make the same test, but by using black cloths.
Seveda imamo velik problem zjutraj, ko se zbudimo. Nos je poln, pljuča so polna, ker mi v bistvu celo noč delamo, namesto da bi počivali. In zdaj bomo naredili
We put the black cloths on the system just like before,
črne krpice.
and then turn the machine on.
Se pravi, namestimo eno krpico na naš tester.
The motor rotates the brush, which we use for vacuuming the mattress. It's a special brush which really helps the deep cleaning of the surface of the material. After all, we want to get to those mites that are deep inside the mattress. Let's see what happened. We can see tiny white powder on the cloth. The water container with pump creates 3.2 bars of pressure and disperses water equally into the rug. Please fill this container with water. There's a small and large nozzle in the set, and 2 hoses, which we will get to know more specifically. When we clean, we can use a detergent, but I won't use that today because it would then be noticeable that I'd cleaned only one part. Normally, we clean all stubborn stains with detergent. The water container is mounted on the front of the system, tilted slightly forward. We place the suction hose and attach the water hose. Turn on the power and add the small nozzle. Now you can see what's happening. The water sprays directly over the textile, and after that, it's immediately vacuumed off.